Hey everybody, so I got a quick Home Depot tool haul to do from Home Depot. I got some Milwaukee items, gonna be some promo information, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It's a third quarter Milwaukee promo. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so this is Milwaukee's third quarter promo that they have going on. I will be putting in the link, or in the video I should say, I will be putting this in the video as well so you guys can look at it. You buy this $179 battery kit and you can get get one free M12 tool. You can get the fuel hacksaw, you get another battery, you can get a M12 light, you can get one of the old, looks like Gen 1 impact drivers, you can get the ratchet, looks like a 3/8 ratchet, you can get the oscillating tool, you can get the compressor or the inflator, you can get the Dremel tool or rotary tool. You can get the radio, the new M12 radio plus charger that just came out, and you can get the M12 rocket light. Now, the promo, the rocket light is probably going to be your best deal, but I picked up the radio because I already have the rocket light, and I really wanted this radio. I also wanted to bring it to the channel. So, the radio was free, the kit was $179, and the tax brought it to like $194, something like that. I'm probably just gonna sell this kit instead of keeping it because I don't need any more batteries. It comes with two 4-amp hour XC batteries, a charger, and a bag. It's a nice little kit. The kit number for this, if you guys want to go to the store, hopefully you guys' store might have it. It is item number 48-59-2442SP. Now, if anybody's interested, you can contact me on YouTube about this kit. The radio, M12 radio plus charger that just came out. It is part number 2951-20. Includes the radio plus charger and AC adapter. And this is Bluetooth. And you can charge batteries on it while you're using it. And this is the one that's got a bunch of versatile hanging features and a few other options. I'm not going to make this a huge long video or anything like that. I just wanted to show you guys. I can add the receipt in. I actually had to fight Home Depot because they had the box up, which, you know, obviously I took the photos of it for you guys. they had the box up, and the people at the cash register, I went to a self-checkout, and they wanted to fight me on it. Well, it's not in the system. I said, well, the box is sitting right over there. It's like 20 feet away. You know, if you guys aren't going to honor it, then take it down until the promo starts or something, or whatever it is. And they argued with me. I wanted to put it on my gift card, but because I have a $600-something gift card. But because I was so irritated, and the guy that, you know, went to check, he's like, oh, I can't price check it unless I see it on the shelf. And he went to check it on the shelf, and he comes back and he's like, oh, I can't price match anything that high. I need to ask my manager. And his manager came over and he tried to argue with me. On the radio, he marked it down $60, and it wiped the price of the radio. You know, it wiped it, so if I return the radio, I can only get $60 out of it. But it actually minus the $119 for the radio. And yeah, if you buy this $179 kit, it's not a great deal if you buy the radio. But the best deal is if you get this kit and you get the rocket light. But I already have a rocket light, and I wanted to bring this radio to the channel. So, you know, it's alright. I'll just resell the kit for, you know, $20 or $30 cheaper than what I paid for it. I'll eat the tax, and, you know, got a free radio, basically. So, I will be putting the pictures and receipt in there for anybody that's interested in looking at it. I know a lot of people on the East Coast are not having this issue. The Home Depot's computers already have it in the system for whatever reason in Arizona. Santan and Queen Creek area, which is the Queen Creek store, didn't have it in their system. But they got 30 of these kits and like 5 or 6 of these radios, you know. And they have a bunch of rocket lights and a bunch of other tools, you know. It is what it is. I at least got the item for free, and they did honor it. I was just frustrated because I'm standing there for 40 minutes next to a register, self-checkout register, and for waiting for 2 guys to figure it out. One guy physically told the guy that helped me find the radio, he's like, dude, I already looked at the promo. There is a promo box over there. And the young kid didn't listen. The kid couldn't have been any older than maybe 18, if that. Might have been a little younger. I was just aggravating, and I wanted to use my gift card, but I was so frustrated, and I just pulled out my business card and just paid for it. It was because as soon as they got done typing it in and making the discount cheaper, they stood there and watched me like a hawk, like I was gonna steal something, which is kind of stupid. But I figured I'd show it to you guys. If anybody is interested in the 2 4-amp hour XC battery kit with the regular M12 charger and the bag, let me know. I don't really need it. I technically have a crap ton of batteries. I have 2 3s. I have 2 4s already. These are 4s right here. And then I have 1 2 3 4 6s. I have 4 2s, because there's 1 in this one, and then there's 3 right here, and I have a bunch of M18 batteries. And all these tools right here, I have 5 M18 XC 5.0s, and I have 2 8.0s for sale. I have the fuel polish 7-inch variable speed polisher for sale. I have the 7 and 9-inch large angle grinder for sale. I have 2 of the 600 lumen low profile red lithium rechargeable headlamps for sale. I have this stick Rover 445 lumen Rover pocket floodlight for sale. I have the 1/2-inch 1-key kit, which has 2 5.0 batteries in it, a standard charger, and a hard case for sale. I already sold the 3/4 bare tool with a 5 amp-hour battery for free. And then I have 2 of the 700 lumen flashlight, rechargeable red lithium flashlights up there for sale. So I have a bunch of stuff for sale. If anybody's interested, this will be in the pile up there, you know, for sale. We'll do an unboxing of the radio, and we got a couple other items that I want to show you guys. So I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronic affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And I'll probably leave this deal, instead of Home Depot, I'll probably leave it for Acme Tools or Ohio Power Tools, because they normally do the same promos at the same time that Home Depot does. So that will be in the description below. I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!